Happy Sunday, guys. Just showing you a few of our glueless units that are available in store and how easy it is to wear them. Alright, this is one of our 12-inch units. It's a 4x4 closure, so you can part anywhere within that 4x4 space because it is a free part, right? A nice work-friendly bob. Well, it's not a blunt bob, but it has a bob length. So it's nice and easy to wear, nice and cool, and also lightweight. Literally takes minutes to install, and I say install in air quotes because no installation is really needed for this one. You basically just grab and go. Elastic bands will be inserted into the wig, especially if the client wants. As for me and my comfort, I don't really use elastic bands unless I really need to. Let me just show you that it can part, and that closure is so bouncy. This is one of our hand-tied lace units, so it's made entirely from scratch from Embossed Beauty by Kim Lou. Right, and see, nice and fluffy, easy to wear, definitely corporate friendly, I would say. Right. Look at me just running that comb through it. Yeah. A little bounce. Alright, so let me take this one off and I will show you one of the curly units that we have. For each of these, currently we only have 3 of each and more will be remade. Just a quick look on the inside. Now this is our 14-inch deep wave unit with a 4x4 closure. And just like with the first one, it's very easy to wear, and this one is easy to maintain. I don't do much with my curly units except for maybe use a little bit of conditioned water in a spray bottle. I wet it sometimes and then sometimes I wear it dry. This one has been sprayed before, but it has been dried for a while now and we didn't bother to wet it again. As you can see me here, I'm just shifting it to the side. That's the versatility of these units. So you can basically push that closure anywhere you'd like to and style it according to your face type and just how you prefer it. So I'm switching it back to the middle, and just like with the one before, you can part anywhere within that 4x4 space because it is a free part lace closure. Right, so nice. Alright, and I do have another unit here to show you. Now this one I'm coming with is the 2x6 closure, the Kim K closure on one of our bob length work friendly wigs. This one is also hand tied and easy to install as with the others. Basically at 2 or 3 minutes, slide it on, run your comb right through it, and then you are definitely ready for the road. Alright, so you can see me here. I have put it onto my head. Alright, let me adjust this chair so you can see better. I'm going to take it off and put it back on. You see how quick that was? Right, and then I just slide it on and just center it, adjust it, make sure it's comfortable, run my comb through it, and I'm ready to go. Look at that. That part is so deep. Yeah, it's our 2x6, so you get a lot more parting space going backwards. It's not as wide as the other closure, but it definitely has its own merits with that nice deep hand-tied lace closure. You can see me running my comb through it right now. See how easy it is, no tangle. These are 100% human hair. They can bleach, color, curl, straighten, style, whatever you need to do with them. Alright guys, so that was it for me this morning. I was just showing you what you can get from us, convenient, style, and quality. So go ahead and send us a DM or call us and we'll deliver one of these units for you today.